Hi-ho, Stefan! Kermit the Frog here to congratulate you, my friend, and your family on opening your very own store! Oh, what a great opportunity this is for you, my friend. A huge responsibility it is, but, a great thing now that you can be your very own boss. No more answering to other people. But, I hope that your staff, when you get some staff there in your business, I hope that they're, a little bit more organized than some of the Muppets who have worked here in the studio. We've had some doozies. Yes, but anyway, congratulations, my friend, on your new business venture. May your business grow and bring you prosperity. And best wishes, and may you always stay rainbow connected, my friend. The rainbow connection, it means in life to always follow your dreams and to always believe in yourself. In fact, Stefan, it's sort of my thing, I've even got the song about it, and seeing as though I am here at the old Muppet Show Theater, what a perfect opportunity to go back out on stage and sing it again just for you, Stefan. So with that, raise the curtains, it's showtime! Yeah! Why are there so many songs about rainbows? And what's on the other side? Rainbows are visions, but only illusions, and rainbows have nothing to hide. So we've been told, and some choose to believe it. I know they're wrong, wait and see. Someday we'll find it, the rainbow connection, the lovers, the dreamers, and me. All of us under its spell, we know that it's probably magic. Have you been half asleep, and have you heard voices? I heard them calling my name. Stefan! Is this the sweet sound that calls the young sailors? The voice might be one and the same. I've heard it too many times to ignore it. It's something that I'm supposed to be. Someday we'll find it, the rainbow connection, the lovers, the dreamers, and me.